Alright, hi guys. This is a quick update in regards to the uh, Rail energy watt meter that I installed. So here it is, and as you can see, currently, just try to zoom in. That is the current voltage, and this is the amps. That's about 10 amps that is being consumed right now, and overall usage is about 2.7 kilowatts. Okay, my light just went off. Okay, just came back. So you can see the amps is kind of fluctuating, currently consuming 153 watts. And this is the enclosure, the wireless DIN rail enclosure. So I just want to give you guys a quick update. That is the automatic transfer switch, and currently is at 24.5. The watt meters from the solar panel. I have 3 arrays of solar panel. As you can see, that's one at the top there, the blue one right here. This is another 800 watt, no, this is 1000 watts solar panel, and this one is 1,001.6 kilowatts. That's 1600. So that's just a quick update I want to share with you guys in regards to this particular DIN rail energy watt meter. As you can see, it doesn't have a backlight, and also I cannot control the interface. I have to wait, and the interface will automatically change to show me each of the parameters, the voltage, the amps, and the peak voltage, things like that. So thank you guys. Cheers.